one of the ski resorts here on the Ski Rama Dolomiti Pass. Unlike the other resorts that we visited this week, it's not linked by chairlift, so you can't ski between Pejo and say Marileva or Madonna di Campiglio. It was around a 15-minute drive from the accommodation. Ski buses do run here, and from what I've read, it's well worth the visit. It's quite a small ski area with only 18 trails and about 7 lifts, but I'm really excited to get out and explore, especially given the fact that this place is the first one that I've seen a green run listed on. So this could be the place in Ski Rama Dolomiti if you're a beginner to come and visit and learn to ski or snowboard for the first time. Literally one run and I'm in love with Pejo. I guess it being a bluebird and beautiful sunshine really helps, but it's much quieter than the other resorts in the valley. I don't know if that's because it's New Year's Day. Sorry, I'm going to be posting this a lot later, but it's New Year's Day. But there's nobody here, really. I mean, the funicular to the top of Pejo 3000, where you get onto some nice red runs, is a little bit busy, but you don't have to wait for it, you're straight in. And then from there, it's red run all the way down, which is great because it's not too challenging, but it's not too mellow either, so you can test yourself a little bit and try out some new things. Pejo is a resort that you have to check out. Okay, so as you can see behind me, Pejo has a park. It's fairly small, couple of little kickers and ride-on rails. Let's go and have a play, see what we can find. So I have had such a great day here at Pejo, probably my favourite of the resorts here in Ski Rama Dolomiti. I'm a big fan of resorts that aren't crowded, and this one isn't. There's no queues for the lift, and it's just 15 minutes up the road from the main centres of like Marileva, or half an hour from Madonna di Campiglio. What's really nice about this place is actually it's the first resort here that, if you are a beginner, there is some terrain for you. Down at the bottom underneath the first gondola, you've got some really nice blues and a really gentle beginners area serviced by its own chairlift. If you've got the ability to get out and about around this mountain, you can take a funicular all the way to the top there, Pejo 3000. It's beautiful, offering views of the surrounding valley, and the red runs all the way down from the top all the way down to the bottom are well worth spending your time on. If a snow park is what you're after, they've got one here too. It's not massive, but it's definitely suitable for me. A couple of little jumps and some nice ride-on boxes. That's also serviced by a chairlift, which just from the bottom of the park takes you to the top, and then you can just lap and lap and lap. Overall, it's been an absolutely fantastic day here. I can't recommend this place enough. If you've got an Epic Pass, remember you can ski here for free. I'll put a link to how I got my Epic Pass into a Ski Rama Dolomiti ticket on the screen. And besides from that, thank you very much for watching. As always, if you've got questions about this video or any of the other videos that we're recording here in Italy or any of the other destinations, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe. We're keeping the content coming. And I'm really happy to have seen the 42 people that up to this point have subscribed. Thank you very much for your support. It doesn't go unnoticed. And I'll see you next week with another video.